Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share something really important. So guys, I read an article that developers could cancel approximately 5,000 new condo units as construction prices rise. So that's true. Cost of material, labor, everything is going up, and especially when the interest rate is hiked by the Bank of Canada and still more are scheduled, even construction loans are going to be expensive. So if developers are moving out of construction projects, people should not be surprised. But if you see the data, 5,000 new condominium units, this is not good. This doesn't sound good at all. We are already lagging much behind from other countries in population to house ratio. So with these units getting cancelled, how are we gonna normalize the market? Markets go up and down, but we should have enough houses, right? And that we don't. And this is a I mean this is not good. On the other hand, like those who have paid for it in advance, like deposits, they will get the deposit back. But if things like this happen, this is gonna deepen the crisis, housing crisis in Canada. Now for newcomers, if you are coming in, you may find it difficult now because rental properties are going up because people are not able to buy, so a lot of people are renting it, and rental market is definitely going up. So hopefully something good happens. I'll keep you guys updated whatever is happening. Thanks for watching.